Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Maybe people annoy you, maybe, I don't know, you get a lot of spam calls or something and you just want to block a person, like let's say a friend you don't like anymore or something. For that you need to go to your phone icon and then go to the three little dots and go to settings, and here you have caller ID and spam protection. You can enable this. Your use of the service is subject to whatever this is pronounced, terms of service and privacy policy. Alright, and then we can go to block numbers, block spam and scam calls. Use caller ID and spam protection to block calls from telemarketers, frauders and other unwanted callers. And then you can also add a phone number here, and then you can say block this number. So if you've done that, you can go back and then enjoy the silence, and hopefully nobody else will, well, annoy you. Otherwise, you know how to block them now. So that's how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.